Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft GLFW error 65542. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to device manager, and on device manager you need to look for your GPU. So look for display adapters and look the name of your GPU, and also you can right click update driver and search automatically for drivers. And then for me, as you can see here, it's RTX 3070. So you just need to open a browser, and then you just need to write RTX, in my case 3070 OpenGL, and you need to look if your GPU is supporting OpenGL. So as you can see here, it's 4.6. This means it should work and you should get no errors. And to fix this problem, what you need to do here is to, if your GPU supports OpenGL from, I believe, 4.2, you're good to go. And then you just need to open up, for example, in my case, NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and then download the latest version of the drivers, restart my computer, update my drivers, and the problem should be fixed. So basically you just need to update drivers and you should fix your problem. And yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.